Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix error 20 in Ghost of Tsushima. Error 20 usually indicates a problem connecting to the game servers or an issue with your PlayStation. First, let's check if your internet connection is stable. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. You can try restarting your router or modem to see if that helps. Next, ensure that your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 is updated to the latest software version. Go to the system settings and check for any available updates. Also check if you have enough free storage space on your console. Insufficient storage space can sometimes cause errors. Now let's try some quick fixes. Begin by restarting your PlayStation console. This can often resolve temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, try power cycling your router or modem. Unplug them from the power outlet, wait for a few minutes and then plug them back in. While you're at it, check for any pending game updates for Ghost of Tsushima. Go to the Games menu on your PlayStation dashboard and see if there are any updates available. If these quick fixes haven't solved the problem, we can try some advanced troubleshooting steps. One option is to rebuild your PlayStation database. This process can help resolve issues with corrupted data. To do this, completely power down your PlayStation console. Then press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. This will boot your console into safe mode. From there, select the Rebuild database option. Keep in mind that this process may take some time, but it's generally safe and won't delete your game data. If rebuilding the database doesn't work, you can try reinstalling Ghost of Tsushima. Uninstall the game from your console and then reinstall it from the disk or your game library. If none of these steps work, it's best to contact Sony support for further assistance. They have dedicated teams that can help you troubleshoot specific error codes. Here are a few additional tips that might help. If you're experiencing persistent internet issues, try connecting your console directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This can often provide a more stable connection. You can also try clearing your PlayStation's cache. To do this, completely power down your console. Then, press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. This will clear the cache and could potentially resolve some issues. If possible, avoid playing Ghost of Tsushima online with multiple users simultaneously on the same network. This can sometimes strain your internet connection. Lastly, it's always a good idea to check the official Ghost of Tsushima website or social media channels for any known issues or updates. The developers may be aware of specific problems and could provide workarounds or fixes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.